EU AB with officer certificate war, not opportunity to promote to Embark 1369. We have today within Europe a lot of officers and even many more cadets currently the ship owner or the seafarer. There are about 300 Spanish cadets with no opportunities because the Spanish flag is gone, and so other companies have their own flags. Like in Italy flag, they have Italian cadets. We try and fight to have jobs for Spanish cadets. Yes, we do that for free every time. But today, this video is not about that. It's about those that really were cadets or really did have AB certificate, AB experience, but they cannot promote because some companies discriminate. Yes, they think that because they are this Northern European nationality or that other Northern European nationality or this other Northern European nationality that they are better than, they don't give chance some get promotions. So if you are one of those AEPs that really want to get a promotion and you know that you cannot get it, I know they are paying you big wage so that you will not get the promotion, let's say 4,500 euros, 5,000 euros as AB. Well, here we are proposing 3,100 euros Italian flag, all included, huge. Ro-Ros 37,000 tons and Ropax 67,000 tons. Then 22 of the first ones and the later 55, total 77. Then we're looking about, let's say, 700, 800 AB label Seaman. But the question is that if you are willing to jump from your current company to us in Candina, then within 2 contracts, you probably will be promoted to third officer, which no one up north is going to give you this opportunity because we don't discriminate, you see? Therefore, please apply today here. If you're thinking that, okay, I am an officer, I am earning 4,500 euros, now I don't like this proposal of 3,200, this is what the collective bargaining agreement says in Italy, so that's what I can do. I cannot do any better, but I can give you the promise that within 2 contracts, you can really get the third officer, which will be 3,600 euros. But even more, you will have stability here because this is the #1 company, Ropax and Ro-Ros within Europe. You will have Italian social security. If you are planning like I was one day to get married, have kids, and you need stability because we never know how long we'll be here. Perhaps something might happen tomorrow and you want to have social security, pension, whatever the benefits of the social security, please apply within here because that's Italian flag, Italian company, Italian food, Mediterranean, smiling people. You will live 25 more years because you will be with life is beautiful people, with people that smile and eat Italian food. Up north people don't live so long because they are not smiling and don't have the nice weather and the nice Mediterranean food. So join us and then like and subscribe. And if you are from the Latvian Maritime Academy, Novi Contas, if you are from Estonia, Lithuania, Poland, if you are from one of those countries that has the best education system and the best maestro teachers, that I thank you very much because you are #1. Apply here. You will get the promotion and the career and the stability, and then you will get ships that are 67,000 tons. And then people will say, what did you do? You were intelligent. Thank you. Bye.